This is the update of the pricing of electrical wires, conduits, and moldings for electric here in Cebu Home Builders. So these are the stranded wires. That's 2 mm, 1950 per meter, and you got here the roll pricing. Then you got another stranded wire. It's 3.5 millimeters. THNN stranded wire at 28.75. Then that one is 5.5 millimeters at 44 per meter, and that's the price of the roll on the side. This is 8.8 millimeters, 68.75. This 14 mm, the white one, millimeters at 109.50 per meter. Then you got the again 22 mm stranded wire, the red one, at 172 per meter. Then that one, that's 30 millimeter at 250.50 per meter. That's 38 per meter stranded wire. 68 millimeter stranded wire. This one is the coaxial cable at 11 pesos per meter. Then you have here another stranded wire at 2 millimeter TW, and that's 3.5. That's just TW. And then that's the 5.5, 8 millimeters, 8.8. This is 14. This is 22. And that's 22. So AW4, 22 millimeters, AW2, 22 millimeters. That's only sold by meter, 233.75 per meter. That one is AW 0.75. That's the prices. This is the Royal Cord 1.25. Another Royal Cord 16.3. Royal Cords. This is stranded wire. This is the stranded wire per roll. The brand is Royal.
0.5 mm, 0.75. Kana. Akitin. Akitin.
This is the stranded wire Royal. The white one will start with this one.
Pwede raman 1 liter palitan ng ito.
Lang saya ritaso, pwede na siguro usta.
here.
Buta lang rin ha, pati inside sila.
Then these are the moldings for electric when you want it all surface mounted.
Mas pwede lang sa kamitro palitan. Sa kamitro ko na ako ako.
Yeah, the JK.
UTP cable na siya, di ba? Hindi, UTP ka sa. UTP lang ko. Kung saan niya siya, pambili ko. Meron ko na. UTP lang ko. Ba? Oo.